What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, it's looking very nice, isn't it? On this hourly time frame, sorry. You can see here for a long time now, ever since November, you know, when we basically came up, we made that new all-time high at around 69k here. We got that rejection with the bearish divergences on the daily time frame. You'll see them here. Let's just have a quick zoom in on the daily so you can see what's going on. Basically, what's been happening is we came up here, we made these bearish divergences, and ever since then, really, we've been stuck under that RSI on the daily. Haven't we? You can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 contact points of resistance on the RSI, heading down and down and down inside this channel on the chart. RSI stuck under resistance for this whole time. And then, as we said, when we came down to this incredibly oversold area, we were really starting to think that, you know, this was just ridiculous at this point, wasn't it? We were just getting, I mean, we're down to like 20 on the RSI, which is absolutely crazy, especially in a bull market. This is like down to those, basically those March 2020 Black Swan event level crash levels of oversold, as we said. And, you know, once we started seeing this breakout of the RSI and the back test here and then the continuation, we could see it on the chart here. We came up to the top of the range, we come down, we back test previous support and previous, you know, resistance into support here on the RSI, and then we got that breakout, didn't we? You can see here on the daily, we've basically got that nice little breakout where we come down, we come up with that big massive daily candle, we trickle to the upside a little bit here, getting into, you know, fairly, you know, we're getting quite overbought here, but just having a little bit of a cool off here to retest that previous support, which is on that 050 level here, which we did previously break. That was really good to see. Down here around that 43k level, we've come up, broke that level, we got stuck under this resistance here, that of that previous support of that range low at 45.6, 45.7k. We basically come down, don't we? We come down, we retest the 050, which is what we've done here, is resistance, support, come down, had a bit of a cooling off period. And, you know, now we're just waiting to see what happens next, aren't we, really? You can see here on the hourly time frame, as we were talking about, nice to see us finally getting the clean breakout of that downtrend. You can resistance, capitulation, resistance, capitulation. And then we finally come up again to resistance. We get the back test and the breakout here. Potentially loading up. You know, if we did have another correction in the market, we could load up potentially a W double bottom like this. We come back down to that 0.023 Fibonacci level like this, and then get that bounce to the upside, which could be entirely on the cards, you know, if we basically do start to, you know, have a big rollover in the market again. But in our opinion, I mean, if we did have some downwards price action, we'd probably come back down to the bottom of this range that we're still kind of getting stuck inside of here, around 40k being a big psychological support as well. You'd probably expect a little bit of a bounce in this area if we did roll over in the markets. But overall, you'd say Bitcoin, you know, it's looking fine, isn't it? It's looking okay. Just heading to the downside for a long time, finally getting that nice breakout here. We've come up to, you know, break some key levels of resistance. We came here up to around this 41.5k level, this resistance here. We broke through that. We've run all the way up to that previous support, as we said, and now getting a bit of a rejection in that area, coming back down to the fib levels, consolidating and probably heading sideways in a little bit of a range if we zoom in here. Potentially looking something like this. Resistance, support, go sideways a little bit like this for a while, and then hopefully breaking to the upside if we do see Bitcoin hold this support nicely, heading up towards that 0.618, a very key level. As we've always said, the 618 being a big, you know, pivot point for the chart. it does tend to be if you get back above the 618, you do start to look more bullish. And if you do fall below the 618, you do start to look quite bearish. And obviously when we lost that 618 here, with that next, level of capitulation for Bitcoin, heading down, everyone's starting to panic basically. But I would say this is our next target reasonably. With a little bit of consolidation here for Bitcoin, if we did have a little roll, we could come back inside this range, maybe down to that 41.2k level. But realistically, everything looking pretty good. So we could do, just before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we'd like to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there and sign up. There's nothing more to say other than that. It's totally free. Amazing community. Over 1,000 people in there, constantly talking about all kinds of crypto stuff, passive income, NFTs, you name it. So go down there and sign up. Totally free and amazing. If you do want to support the channel, you can sign up to the Patreon, where you'll get access to the private part of the Discord. We're posting daily Bitcoin signals. We've got Alpha in there, Maxi Moves, where we talk about our own personal moves in the market, passive income plays, you name it, all kinds of quality stuff in there. So go check that out. And then if you do want to get a bit more serious with your education, you could sign up to our Udemy course in the description as well, where it comes as standard with our Basics of Technical Analysis course. So if you wanted to learn about all the stuff that we do on the channel, you can sign up to that. And we'll also be posting weekly content. Basically, since Udemy is an ongoing course and it's a monthly subscription, we will be posting weekly in there about market psychology and also some crypto ratings as well. So going to be lots and lots of content down in the description. Go check it all out, sign up and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that all being said, short-term price predictions. If we roll from this support here at that 43k level, we'll probably head back down towards this 42k area here. Or if we do get a significant roll down to around that 40k level, we'd say 40k being a big psychological level where we could see that bounce very nicely. And then beyond that, as we said before, if we are heading to the upside, we do think that 618 up here at 47.5k, the next target, getting back inside this range here. If we just pull this across, you'll be able to see, get back inside of that range. That would be very nice to see, heading back up through these levels. And as we said loads of times now, we do think Bitcoin, over 100k still on the cards this year by far. So long as, we do start to pick up, get back up towards that all-time high over the next few months, it could be on the table. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions. And you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.